Everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to do another software update that we have just released really today. So the first thing that I really want to show you guys is the fact that we now have monthly candles. And to do that, you just go to time frame, drop down menu, and go to monthly. And that will then change you to the monthly chart. And so we are pretty excited to introduce this to the platform, because at the end of the day, not everybody is a day trader. Some people like to swing and do longer term trades. And so this is for those people who kind of like a longer term view of the market. Now, one thing that is really cool about this is the fact that since we have a higher kind of time frame or longer term time frame, we can now do multi-time frame analysis, which is MTFA right here. We can do that on the weekly candle now. So before, you couldn't really do anything on the weekly candle because there wasn't a larger time frame. But now, when we go to monthly here and compare the two, we can actually get the monthly trend line overlaid on the chart, as well as anything else you'd like. So if you want to watch the simple moving average from the monthly chart, just click it, and we can see that this price action really actually had 2 weeks of really kind of a hard time of breaking through this area. So this is something you could look at on the longer term time frame, now with the monthly kind of candle ability, as well as, let's say, Bollinger Bands. If you want to look at the monthly Bollinger Band overlay on the weekly candle, simply just click M right here, and the Bollinger Bands for that time period will show up. So you can kind of see how the longer term price action is now interacting with the really long-term indicators. So that is a big change, and the first thing that we've kind of changed that is definitely noticeable on the platform. Second thing is the ability to remove MACD lines. So you've got two lines on the MACD. You've got the MACD, then the signal. So you can change these two. So for example, when we apply this and we show the MACD, right now, we've got 1, 2 lines, and then the histogram. So here you can easily change that. You can change the lines to whatever color you'd like, and then the histogram as well, you can change that to whatever color you'd like to kind of customize the chart even more. On top of that, we also, for the third thing that's a real kind of change on the platform, is the ability to change your volume. So now you have the ability to change the rising color and the falling color of volume bars, and you can make those as dark as you'd like or as kind of opaque as you'd like, if you will. So you can change the opacity here, and essentially, farther to the left is going to be a clearer kind of volume bar. To the right is going to be a more solid color. I personally like the more solid colors, so we'll go with the farthest right here. So when we apply that, you can see that the volume bars are much darker than they have been in the past. So that is a big improvement as well. You can change these colors to whatever you'd like and make the chart a little more customizable and personalized to your style. So those are the 3 main things we've changed. We also had some back-end stuff, but these are the main 3 things you will notice differently on the platform. We hope you're enjoying the platform. We have a ton of different features coming out very soon that really change the landscape of our alert system and make it a lot more robust. And so we're looking forward to getting that out soon as well. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for being a customer and a user of the platform.